a lot to do. We've got the 4Runner hub we got to put back
You
together.
you could do so.
That's what we got to put together. We've got the Jeep that we think the computer's fried on right now that we're sending back to Hotwire to go over it and see if we can get it going. I'm really hoping the computer is fried so that I can stop tracing down issues. Then if we can get the 4Runner, the Jeep back going, then we'll be ready for our February ride at the end of the month. And right now we've got this we're about to rebuild the front end on. We're gonna see if we can get the 4-wheel drive going, possibly the AT blower. Also we have a Tundra we gotta put some leaf springs on.
Cord, you got a cracked water pump, fractured in.
Now we're gonna try to line this one up the best we can, but it had to be going to the alignment shop, and the middle bar is what they'll twist to align the ends. They won't twist the out. They'll just twist this middle bar and that'll shorten and bring whatever they need to bring in.
Not the same size, but yeah. That's all.
We got our little pitchfork here. We're gonna try to slide it in on the ball joint side. See if we can pop this thing.
You sure about that?
Stop it. Get some help.
Use this to try to separate it. Would not come loose. It probably helped. And then I beat on it for 10-15 minutes. Didn't come loose. I just started taking it up under my jack and I just started hitting like this. And eventually it popped the whole joint out of this other side. I was able to just drop it. So all that beating and everything, and I finally just
Take a
popped
couple
out.
of deep breaths here and just try to.
And so now it happens like that. It's frustrating. Really gets on your nerves. I mean, I've boogered that up trying to get it out. I mean, I guess that's part of it, but you can see these joints are completely shot. Like I said, I don't know if these are close, but I'm trying to definitely get them close. thought these were pretty cool. So you take this, you slide it through your normal car keyhole. So that would go through there. And then this is going to clip on the outside of the key nut. Castle nut, whatever you want to call it. Pretty out of breath because this stuff has been pretty dang heavy. I'm gonna have to turn the whole bar over. That's gotta go in. You just take it and just push it right through. It locks down on the back side. And then you want to pull it off, you just pull the outside. Well, say you do. It pulls right out. So much easier. Right. Get the hub off. This snap ring was the biggest pain to get off. So we got it off, the hub out. This seal is what locks the four-wheel drive in. So we're probably going to have to put a new seal on it, get the four-wheel drive working. But now we're pulling the nuts off the ball joints. We're about to pull the knuckle off and press the ball joints out. And then still got to put the track bar on, but we got brakes on. We got to change this caliper because it's leaking. So we're gonna throw the ball joints in and track bar, this caliper, and then roll this bad boy. About to press these out.
I'm not even gonna video it. There's videos of pressing ball joints out, but everything's about to be rebuilt, so the whole front end of this will be new. So we got the track bar pushed on. I had to grind that completely off to be able to push it out, and then had to push it back in. Got the track bar up, got all the rod ends on. So we're pushing ball joints out. Had to push the bottom out first so that we can push the top out. Had to go get a ball joint adapter tool, but so I'm about to press them back in, throw this back together, and we should be rolling out of here in the next hour or two. All right, we got our lower ball joints, upper ball joints, rod ends, track bar, drag link, track bar bushing, rod ends, ball joints, brake rotors, brake pads, calipers. So, you know, it wouldn't have, it's probably gonna need 4-wheel drive seals in the front, but we're gonna get the thing driving first and get all this other stuff worked out.